So now we are in my Jupyter notebook. So here we can see that first I have imported the Azure storage blob as I have shown earlier. So I'll just run this. So it make okay. So after reading the data set from the Azure blob storage to the Jupyter notebook, I have started a Spark session. So I think it's taking more time. So once I have started the Spark session, I have started pre-processing the data. So as you can see here, using the print schema function that is present in the PySpark, I have see the format of the columns or variables that I have in my data set. Uh, so later I have checked for the number of null counts that are present in all the variables. As we can see, there are no null variables which I have been removed. So I am good to go. So later I have tried to remove unnecessary columns by using data frame dot drop function. Uh, so you can see that I have removed ASIN, sales channel, and ship country column. So after removing these variables, I have started to perform expert data analysis on the data set, uh, which I have discussed earlier during the PPT slides. So now we'll just directly go to the uh, code where I have written to execute the machine learning algorithm. As you can see here, I have imported Spark libraries such as vector assembler, string indexer, decision tree classifier, and multi-classification evaluator. The reason to import multi-classification evaluator is that my target variable status has multi-classes. That is, it has more than two classes. That is the reason I have imported multi-class classification evaluator. So later I have indexed all these variables uh, to a numerical one, as all these are categorical variables, by creating a new column with indexes. And then I have built the decision tree classifier model by splitting the data into 80% of training data, 20% of testing data. So the target variable that I have used for this model is status, and the predictor variables are fulfillment, ship service level, courier status. Once I have trained the model, I made predictions and evaluated the model on testing data. And we can see that the accuracy has resulted in 98.61%. From this, I can say that the model has performed very well in predicting the status variable based on the ship service level, fulfillment, and courier status. Also, I have calculated the importance scores of the three predictor variables that are influencing the status variable. So, uh, according to the importance score variables, we can see that the we can see that the main predictor variable that has been influencing the target variable status is the fulfillment variable with an importance score of 0.5227, which we can see here. So as we all know that the more the importance score is, the more the variable is influencing the target variable. So from here we can say that fulfillment is the predictor variable that is influencing the target variable status. So here, I mean, I have written another code to see exactly uh, what is the importance score of each variable with some text. Okay, so now we will go to our PPT. From this code demo that I have shown you and the output that I have got and the interpretations or the insights that I have got, I can clearly say that fulfillment variable is a predictor variable that is influencing the status. So I can say that whether if we are getting any updates regarding the status of our order, whether it's pending or it's delivered or anything. So it is mainly depending upon the fulfillment variable only. So once the fulfillment is completed only, then only we can get the shipping or delivered update from the Amazon. So this is the insights or the conclusion that I have achieved or predicted from this analysis. So, so to complete this project, I have used three references that are being, so which I have took from three blogs that are made by Dan Cook, Wade, and one is from Stack Overflow. So I have used these three references and I have understood or gained knowledge on how to do the Spark cluster in the Jupyter notebook and to read the Azure blob storage into Jupyter notebook. That's it. Thank you all for patiently listening my PPT.